Hello everyone, well, a very quick bonus video for you today. This is hot off the presses. I thought I'd do the video now in case any of you want to buy one of these Maytag satellites, because there's a seller on eBay is currently selling a few of them. In fact, it's the same seller I think that I bought mine from, and I thought, oh, I'll get another one. I've already got 3, I think. I've got one that I've demonstrated a few times, and I've got 2 others in the box. But when I saw some more being offered, I thought, oh, well, might as well get another. Who knows? I do like it. So if you want one of these, go on eBay. It's only eBay UK. Just search Maytag Satellite, and if there's any left, it should come up. But the seller seems to be listing them one at a time instead of listing, say, 10, saying there's 10 available. Seems to be just one at a time. He seems to relist them as they're sold. I've no idea how many the seller's got. He's got a few. I did post this on my social media and a few people saw it and bought it, so congratulations if you've got one. But I thought I'd give everyone else a chance who doesn't follow me on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. If you want one of these, I think they're about $69.99 with £10 delivery, so about £80 delivered for one of these new in the box Maytags. So I'll quickly unbox it because I'm going to check it. I'm not going to use this one. The only disadvantage with this, well, there's 2. The hose is woefully short on these. We could have done with being a bit longer, and the bags seem to be very hard to get hold of, and if you can find them, they're very expensive, and they only come in a pack of 2. In fact, in America, where this is known as the Hoover Constellation, I've been on websites in America, and I think the bags are discontinued for it over there as well. But hopefully one of my viewers, I mean, I should do this myself, I've got enough bags. It comes with just one spare bag. I'll show you the opened bag when I open the cleaner. I'm sure amongst us we can find out some widely available bags that actually fit this well. Some people have mentioned the pneumatic HEPA flow, but I tried it and it doesn't fit. It really needs to have this sort of shaped collar, or even if it's bigger, that we can cut to size. There must be someone out there watching who's got one of these who knows of a different bag you can put in it. So anyway, you get one spare bag. I've unboxed this before, but I thought I might as well do it again. I need to check it, and I thought I would tell you about it in case you want one, because a lot of people have said, oh, where do you get that from? And I've just said, well, they're not available anymore. This is the pretty nice horsehair, I think it is, parquet brush with 2 wheels. And I was going to say it's one of those, oh, it's got a date wheel. It's not one of those German made ones. I think these came out sort of early 2000s. I think it is, I think this is April 2000 this particular thing was made, this part anyway. So that's the hard floor tool. You also get the full size turbo, which is very like the one pneumatic. Pneumatic have changed theirs I think now, but it's very like the old pneumatic style, and certain Hoover cleaners I've seen with this turbo head. It's fairly effective at picking up muck. So there we go, that's branded Maytag of course, not Hoover. And here we have the silly short hose. No, it isn't any longer. Be nice. I don't think it quite reaches up the stairs either. No suction control either on this. And you've got a little hook there that helps store it on board. I'll show you how that stores in a minute when I get the cleaner out. And you've got this end for the cleaner, and you can actually put it in this way up or that way up for some reason. And then you've got your little bag of tools. There we go. Dusting brush, quite a nice quality one there. Again, these are very light pneumatic tools. You've got your furniture nozzle with a brush that you can slide off like that. So yes, these are definitely brand new factory sealed from this seller on eBay. Somebody is also selling a very battered second-hand one for about, they want £65 for it, so much better to spend a bit more and get a brand new in the box one. And that's the little adapter that holds the 3 small tools. Of course, we've got the instruction book. Nice quality telescopic wand. Got a nice little button there to adjust it. It's friction fit though, the tools, they don't have a click fitting, but that's a nice smooth action extension wand, and it's a decent length extension wand as well. Doesn't even fit in my viewfinder. Some of the cheaper vacuums are much shorter than this. And you've got a little parking bracket as well, and there's space to store the tool holder. And finally, we have the cleaner itself. So here it is, and it is a fairly accurate representation of the original Hoover Constellation, although I'd say the American version, because this has a slightly different bumper to the version we had in the UK. We did get some American made ones in the UK that came with this sort of bumper, so this is more accurately the American version. And this was available, of course, in the USA under the Hoover brand in this stainless steel colour, or it's also available in a pearl white, which looked very smart. And instead of this awful Maytag logo, we had here the nice Hoover roundel. I'm not going to take any of the protection off. There's some things protecting the satellite wording here. It's a very retro cleaner. I do like it. It's not perfect, but it's all metal construction apart from the skirt, which is now plastic on this model, and it's a slightly different exhaust vent to the original, but at least there is a diffuser, sort of a final filter as well. Just check the old wattage of this. It's 2000 watts, for goodness sake. 2000 watts, and of course it's made in China. You got a very retro, it's very retro looking. Of course it's based on a very retro vacuum. Well, it wasn't retro when it was new, the Constellation, it was state-of-the-art space age. You've got that lovely switch, toggle switch. Would be nice if that was metal, but never mind. But you do have a metal bracket, oh, just have to take that tape off, that secures the top half. Carefully peel that off so I can show you. And then there we've got the hard to find bags. I'm sure if you comment below, folks, if you know of a bag that fits this and fits it properly without dust leaking out, I'm sure everyone would be very grateful to know. I do have quite a few of these. Somebody was selling these a while back. I bought quite a lot of packets. Well, it was several years ago now, but yeah, it's a shame. I'd use it more if I had loads of bags, I think. Underneath the HEPA bag there is also, how do you take this off? I've forgotten. A filter. Oh, there we are. So it's a square filter, unlike the original Constellation. It had that round felt filter. It was a bit awkward to remove and put back. It had that round sort of wire thing you had to really get on in a certain way. So this is a lot easier. Not much of a filter there, is it? Very thin. And of course you've got the motor there. So it has a very good airflow, this cleaner. But they have restricted it. Well, no, they haven't restricted the airflow. The suction is slightly impaired on this model because of a hole. Can you see that hole there? Look, just under there, in about the middle of your picture. That is a hole that is basically a bleed valve, so it allows the machine to float even when the suction is restricted. But I do have to admit to taping that up to get a bit more suction power, because it will decrease the suction a little bit. But the bag just slots in there. Let's close that. And this is apparently the way that you should have stored the mains cable, even on the original. I always used to wrap it round the top. In fact, I'm not sure if you were supposed to, but it is best to store it round the bottom. It's under less strain than wrapping it around the top handle. So I'm going to show you it floating, of course. It's a lovely, very flexible cable, and it's a good quality cable as well. So yes, if they're still available and you've got £80 burning a hole in your pocket, I'd get one. Obviously it seems to be UK only, but you never know. That's got a nice strain relief there for the cable entry. I just think it's a smart vacuum. It looks modern even now, doesn't it? The way the stainless steel really sets it off. Whoopsie daisy. So as I was saying with this, hang on, I think it goes the other way, doesn't it? There we are. With this, that's the regular way, of course, you'd have it. But you can, in fact it illustrates this in a leaflet I found today on this cleaner. You can, for some reason, pop it that way up. Now I think when you're carpet cleaning that's no good, but if you were cleaning higher up, maybe stairs, or you were trying to clean higher up, cleaning your curtains and things, or reaching up for those high cobwebs, to have the hose coming out that way might be an advantage, give you a little bit of extra reach, I suppose. One thing this doesn't do that the original design did, it doesn't have a blowing function. You can't connect the hose to the blower outlet. Let's just turn that back. Right, let's give it a quick go, check it works, and then I'll have to pack it all back up. But you have seen this. I took it on holiday with me to Sherwood Forest, I think it was, and it's had various unboxings and demos. I might show it again, but I will be showing you the one that I've used, because now I've got 4K, you know, my videos might look a little bit better to you than they used to, some of my older videos. Let me just check it's off. Some of my older videos, the sound and the picture, you know, wasn't as good because I didn't have the money to buy the equipment. So you have to invest, I think, if you want to grow your YouTube channel. You've got to invest in decent camera, decent lighting, etc. Okay, I think she'll work. I can't see any reason why she won't. She makes a song and dance, doesn't she? You make a song and dance. She's going to have a little bit more lift for two reasons. The bag's completely empty and there's no hose attached. There's nothing restricting the airflow, which is why she did that. It does seem a bit louder, I don't know. Could be because I've got the hose off. I do like this cleaner. It is the nearest you'll get to getting a brand new, you know, I mean I was lucky enough to open that that unused vintage British made Constellation on my channel. I've still got that, of course, but if you want a Constellation that you're happy to use, I mean if you can afford to get two, keep one for best and one to use and play with. That's what I did. Should be a little bit quieter now with the hose on the inlet. It's fabulous, absolutely fabulous. Right, there we go. So this, as I said, this is an extra video just because I thought you might like to know. If you want one, now is your best chance of getting one. By the time you see this though, they might have all gone, because I said I did post it on, I posted it on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and within a couple of minutes of me posting it on Facebook, somebody bought it, but then it was relisted. So as I said, I don't know how many of these the seller has, but I'm pretty sure by the seller's name, it looks familiar, it's the same seller I bought mine from, but it was several years ago. So I was surprised to see them pop up again. So we'll just pop that around the base. There's a little clip as well to secure it. It does have a little bit of storage for the hose as well. This is for the benefit of any of you who haven't seen my other videos. You can actually, which way does it go? Well, that actually goes on there, look. So it sort of keeps the hose attached like that. You can also, that hole on the back of there is also where you'd park the cleaner, I think, isn't it? Yes. So you can have it like that, parked, obviously with a nozzle on the end. There we are. And condense that down a bit and pop that there. So you can have it like that. But when you've got it like that, then you can also, excuse me, you've also got your little tool caddy where you can fit your 3 tools, and it's nice to see three individual tools, no combination tools. So this will actually fit in 2 places. You can either fit it, where is it, onto the tube like that, or if you're not parking it, this is what I tended to do, you can actually fit it onto the cleaner itself there. So you've got all the tools to hand. There you go then, Maytag Satellite. Search eBay UK now if you want one of these brand new in the box. I don't get any commission, but I just thought some of you might like to own one of these. And again, if you know what bags fit this, if you've tried successfully a widely available, cheaper, preferably one of the hepatite bags in this, let us know in the comments section below, and then it'll save us all searching around for the elusive genuine bags. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any comments or questions, or if you managed to get one yourself, comment below, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.